Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix if not receiving MMS messages on Infinix GT50 Pro. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management and click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and search messages app. Click on storage and cache if you want to fix this problem. So clear cache storage app, message app. After clear cache messages app, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, again click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and click on reset phone. If you want to fix this problem, so click on reset all settings, reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is restart device. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if not receiving MMS messages on Infinix GT50 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.